Cerebras Systems opened with a 2.6% decline in premarket trading on Friday after surging 68% on its Nasdaq debut the day before. The company's stock closed Thursday at a valuation of $66.95 billion, far exceeding Wall Street's expectations when it priced its offering earlier in the week. However, Friday's premarket retreat suggests profit-taking by traders who had bought aggressively during the debut. The move reflects a common pattern in high-profile IPOs, where initial enthusiasm is often followed by a correction as investors take profits. The question now is whether Cerebras can stabilize and continue its upward trajectory, or if the correction signals a broader shift in investor sentiment toward AI hardware startups. The company's long-term prospects will depend on its ability to deliver consistent growth and meet or exceed future earnings expectations. Figma, on the other hand, was a standout performer in premarket trading, with shares rising 8.7% after the design platform reported strong Q1 results. The company reported revenue of $333.4 million, a 46% year-over-year increase that beat analyst forecasts. Figma also raised its full-year revenue guidance to between $1.42 billion and $1.43 billion, and its second-quarter revenue guidance of $348 million to $350 million also surpassed expectations. The company attributed its success to increased user seat growth and higher utilization of its AI-powered tools. Its net dollar retention rate hit 139%, the highest in over 2 years. These figures suggest that Figma is gaining traction in both enterprise and developer markets, and the premarket rally reflects investor confidence in its ability to maintain momentum. The next signal to watch is whether Figma can sustain its gains into. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Regular trading, and if it can maintain its growth trajectory in the coming quarters. Coinbase shares dipped 1.5% in premarket trading on Friday, aligning with a broader decline in cryptocurrency-related stocks. The move followed a surge in legislative momentum on Thursday, which had driven optimism about regulatory clarity in the crypto space. However, the subsequent pullback suggests that traders are reassessing the long-term implications of the developments. The decline in Coinbase's shares may reflect broader uncertainty about how regulatory changes will impact the crypto industry's growth. The next signal to watch is whether Coinbase can stabilize its stock price, and if the broader crypto market will see a rebound or continue to face volatility in the coming days. Applied Materials shares fell 2.6% in premarket trading despite exceeding quarterly revenue projections and providing optimistic forward guidance. The decline is puzzling, as the company's performance was strong and its guidance was upbeat. The move may reflect broader market sentiment or a shift in investor focus away from semiconductor stocks. Applied Materials has been a key player in the AI and chip manufacturing space, and its stock performance could be an indicator of investor sentiment toward the broader tech sector. The next signal to watch is whether Applied Materials can reverse its decline and if the broader tech sector will see renewed interest in the coming weeks. Pershing, the investment firm managed by Bill Ackman, revealed a new stake in Microsoft without disclosing the position size. The move is notable because Ackman is known for his large, concentrated bets, and a new position in Microsoft suggests a belief in the company's long-term growth potential. Microsoft has been a beneficiary of the AI boom, with its Azure cloud and AI tools gaining traction in enterprise markets. The next signal to watch is whether other institutional investors will follow suit, and if Microsoft's stock will see increased demand from large-cap investors. The broader premarket session on Friday reflected a mix of profit-taking and positive earnings news. Cerebras, correction, and Figma's rally highlight the divergent paths of AI and enterprise software stocks. While Cerebras faces the typical post-IPO volatility, Figma's strong earnings suggest that companies with clear growth metrics and product adoption can attract sustained investor interest. The next signal to watch is whether these trends will continue, and if the broader market will see a shift in focus toward AI-driven enterprises or away from them. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Nasdaq's performance on Thursday and Friday was shaped by both individual stock movements and broader market sentiment. The correction in Cerebras and the rally in Figma suggests that investors are evaluating the long-term prospects of AI-related companies. The next signal to watch is whether the Nasdaq will see a broader rebound or if the premarket movements will set the tone for the rest of the week. Overall, the premarket session on Friday offered a snapshot of the current market dynamics. Cerebra's decline and Figma's rally reflect the ongoing evaluation of AI and enterprise software stocks, while Coinbase's dip and Applied Materials fall highlight the broader uncertainty in tech and crypto markets. The next signal to watch is whether these trends will continue and if they will influence the broader market's direction in the coming days.